In April 1912, the world's largest passenger ship, RMS Titanic, began her maiden voyage across the Atlantic, carrying dreams, luxury, and hidden destiny.
Inside Titanic, unmatched luxury surrounded every passenger, from grand staircases to elegant dining halls, making the ship a floating palace unlike anything before.
Passengers relaxed on the spacious decks, unaware that beneath the calm Atlantic waters, fate was quietly steering the magnificent ship toward disaster. Several iceberg warnings reached Titanic's bridge, yet the ship continued forward at nearly full speed, trusting experience, technology, and the calm sea ahead. Suddenly, the lookout spotted a massive iceberg ahead and immediately warned the bridge, but valuable seconds were already lost.
Hard a starboard! Full astern!
The iceberg ripped through Titanic's hull, flooding critical compartments and sealing the fate of the world's greatest passenger ship.
Engineers fought the flooding, but the damage was too severe.
Get back to the upper decks!
Titanic could no longer stay afloat.
Captain Smith ordered the lifeboats prepared, as passengers slowly realized the world's greatest ship was in serious danger.
Women and children boarded the lifeboats first, while many passengers refused to believe Titanic would actually sink. Desperate distress signals echoed across the Atlantic as nearby ships raced through the freezing night to answer Titanic's call. Titanic's bow slipped beneath the icy ocean. Terrified passengers watched the impossible become heartbreaking reality. The giant ship split apart and disappeared beneath the Atlantic, leaving hundreds trapped in the freezing darkness.
Thousands of freezing voices filled the night, but only a few survivors would live to tell Titanic's tragic story.
At sunrise, Carpathia rescued the remaining survivors, ending one of history's greatest maritime disasters with heartbreaking loss.
Decades later, explorers discovered Titanic's wreck, preserving a silent reminder of courage, loss, and human ambition beneath the sea.
More than a century later, Titanic remains a timeless symbol of hope, tragedy, and the unforgettable lessons of history.
Recovered artifacts keep Titanic's memory alive, reminding future generations of the lives forever changed by that tragic night.
Titanic's legacy lives on, reminding humanity that even the greatest achievements must always respect the power of nature.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more true historical documentaries and unforgettable stories from around the world.